research aims to quantify the link or establish whether there is a link between changing climatic conditions during the past and the fate of the Indus Civilization. And the Indus Civilization, they're the largest Bronze Age civilization. They occupied eastern Pakistan and northwest India about 4,500 years ago. And this is an area which is now desert and is associated with numerous dry river channels. Now the Indus collapsed about 4,000 years ago, and there's a really obvious question there to try and address, which is did changes in the fluvial or the river systems, can that be connected with the fall of the Indus civilization? So with this research I've shown that there's no simple link between one single aridity event and the fall of this civilization. And actually we don't see the river systems drying up during Indus times, but we see the flow in the river systems become much more erratic and much more variable. And this would have led to reduced water availability for the Indus population. And at the same time we see these changes in the river systems, which are probably driven by a de-intensification of the Indian monsoon system, which means less precipitation or rainfall. We see the margins of the Thar deserts become more active. And this gives us a picture of an environment which is becoming gradually more arid and where there's less water available for people to use. So whilst there's no simple answer for the climate collapse hypothesis, my research demonstrates that it's highly likely that changing environmental and climatic conditions influence the Indus